Create an account on Wix. If you haven't already, head over to the Wix website and click the Get Started option. This is your first step in learning how to create a website with Wix. You can sign up using any of the normal methods. If you've previously used Wix, you can still sign in using that account. In truth, you can create many Wix websites on the same account, but Wix pricing does not support multiple websites, so you will be charged the full fee for each one. How to create a website with Wix. After creating a Wix account, you'll need to answer a few setup questions before you can build your website. For example, you can select the type of website you intend to create. Before we get started with Wix, we need a website name. You can skip ahead, but naming your Wix website will make it a lot easier to customize. If you don't have the perfect name, spend a minute coming up with one. If you use a service like Domain Wheel, it could take less than a minute. Domain Wheel allows you to generate names and immediately purchase domains. So let's stop this Wix lesson while you create a name. It's also crucial to explain your website's aims. Wix automatically adds relevant functionality based on your responses. So if you declare you want to sell things, Wix will advise you to create an online store. The following stage allows you to add features with a single click. Simply navigate through the list and select the features you want for your Wix homepage. Here are some of your options: bookings, online store, chat, blog, events, portfolio, and pricing plans. After choosing Next, Wix prompts you to go to the dashboard. Once inside your dashboard, we recommend clicking the Customize Site button to begin designing your Wix website. The customization area gives you with your first difficult decision when creating a Wix website. Choose between a custom-built site tool using artificial intelligence, also known as the Wix ADI, or selecting a theme and modifying it yourself with the Wix editor. Which is better, a custom-built site or choosing a theme and applying your own customizations? In all honesty, it depends on how much effort you want to do. A custom-built site using the Wix ADI or artificial intelligence builder is ideal if you want a completely functional website with a few minor tweaks. The Wix editor and dashboard are ideal for anyone who wants to create their own website or at least use a template. We will cover both method as watch both method and choose according to your conveniences. First, make a custom-built website with Wix ADI. The Wix Artificial Design Intelligence ADI tool, the technology that powers custom-built Wix websites, is astounding. It takes about 5 minutes to create a one-of-a-kind website tailored to your specific requirements. How does Wix figure this out? The ADI creates a personalized website by filtering and combining billions of layouts, content, photos, and designs. And it all starts by choosing that you want a custom-built site. This method walks you through a series of questions to automatically create the ideal Wix site for your brand. To begin, you can examine and add a logo, email address, physical business address, phone number, fax number, and social media profiles. Don't worry, the Themizel Logo Maker allows you to create simple logo types and logo marks with minimal effort and cost. Simply choose some fonts, a layout, and colors, and then download a complete logo pack for use on websites, social media, and as favicons. Now that we have a website with an identity, we can go on to the exciting part, constructing it. The first step is to select an appropriate color scheme and font style. Wix ADI will give numerous alternatives with predefined color palettes. Choose one you prefer and let Wix handle the rest. Based on your business kind and color preferences, Wix will show you with a variety of unique website designs that include everything. Honestly, everything. You will have hero images, product groups, meaningful headers, buttons, and more. Roll over each design to receive a quick tour and an idea of how it looks. When you choose a Wix homepage that appeals to you, Wix creates certain key pages. Tick the pages you wish to add to your site, then click Edit Site to proceed. Tweaking your custom-built site in the Wix editor. That concludes the custom website creation procedure with Wix ADI. Now, your custom-designed site is loaded into the normal Wix editor. Custom-built Wix sites are technically ready for publication, but we recommend going through the editor to make changes and ensure everything appears right. Customizing design elements. In the editor, you'll get an editable preview of your unique Wix website. Simply click on design elements, such as photos or buttons, to edit them. When you click anything, a menu bar opens with a variety of options that, depending on the element, allow you to modify images, titles, and other settings. For example, clicking on a slider gallery for products displays settings that allow you to adjust the layout, typography, and general look of the slider gallery, as well as manage and add products. When you click the layout button, you can customize margins, display styles, and alignments. Managing and adding pages. While you start with a nice variety of pages, your site may require something else. To search Wix's collection of pre-made pages, visit the Switch Page drop-down menu. There is a fair mix of pages with different layouts, including contents, about, contact, products, services, and resources shop, book online, and much more. Create a new page by selecting Manage Page, Add Page. To access more features and site management capabilities, click Add Apps. Apps are used to add additional features such as social media icons, email marketing forms, user comments, member sections, and more. Once you're satisfied with your site, move on to the Publish Your Site part. However, if you want to learn how to utilize the Wix editor from start or with a theme, continue watching this Wix lesson as we learn how to use Wix without the custom-built design process from Wix ADI. Second, with the help of the Wix editor, to bypass the custom-built site process, select Begin with a Template when prompted by the Setup Wizard. This provides you a head start with a pre-designed template, but you may also select Go to Dashboard to start from scratch. For this tutorial, we will start with a template. Wix features over 800 templates, which may be filtered by category or search. Once you've discovered a template that works for your project, roll over and click Edit. Wix Editor 101. Building from scratch or using a template does not employ an automated procedure to produce a customized website in contrast to the custom site Wix ADI method. You will create and modify your website by hand using the Wix Editor. This implies making body content and headings from scratch, locating and uploading pictures such as product and hero photos, modifying the color palette by yourself to fit your brand, deciding which pages to include on your Wix website and constructing them, looking for further features not found in the template by searching the app marketplace. Once you select a template, you may customize it via the Wix editor. To view the editing options for any element, click on it. When you click on a strip background element, for instance, you may change the colors, add new photos, choose from pre-selected backdrops, alter the format, or even upload a video. Click on each element to see its distinct layout and design options to get a sense of your customization options. For instance, you may apply effects, change the font and heading sizes, and more with text blocks. You can alter the number of fields, layouts, and designs of forms. Every modification is shown instantly. Not pleased? If you hit the undo arrow, it will appear to have never happened. Editing the individual components will give your website a little glitter, but you must use the menu on the left-hand side to learn how to update a Wix website for global adjustments. Publish your Wix website. You must publish your website in order for it to be available to the general audience. Click Publish from the top menu to accomplish this. Wix publishes your website on the Wix subdomain by default. Several factors make this less than ideal. A custom domain name should be connected unless you're testing. You will need to upgrade to a premium plan for this. Every Wix plan includes a free SSL certificate, a free year of registration, a comprehensive knowledge base, and 24/7 support from their customer support staff.